In today's video, we're going over how to set up a Microsoft 365 distribution list. Distribution lists are, basically think of it as an alias for an email, but instead of having an alias on one mailbox, you can use a distribution list and distribute that email. So you can have multiple members, and so if something goes to, let's say, admin, it'll then forward admin to every member of that distribution list. So let's dive in and we can get it set up. We'll go to teams and groups and then active teams and groups, and normally it'll start here at the Microsoft 365 group section, but we're going to go to distribution lists, add a distribution list, and let's just call it group. And then you can put a description if you want, it's not necessary. Click next, we'll add a member and we'll do pixel dust. We're going to add an owner, and the owners need to have a license. Some not necessary with members. So click next, and then we'll go to members, and then pixel dust again, and add. Click next, and I want the email address to be group, but you can have this be whatever you want it to be. I just know group's available, so that makes it easy for me. Now you have two options. You can either set it so communication can only happen internally, or that members outside or that people outside of your organization can email it. I would say 95% of the time when you're setting up a distribution list, you want to allow external communication, but it's up to you. And then set your domain. If you want it to be something else, you can change it here and click next. And give it a second, and you have created a group. It's pretty straightforward. If you have any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're a business and you're looking for managed IT support, feel free to drop a comment or reach out to us on our website. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.